Hello, my friends. It's time to read a book about the season of fall. Today is the first day of fall. What that means is the hot summer is going to start going away, and you'll start to notice some things like the air gets a little cooler. You might need to wear a sweater. And you might notice outside that the leaves in the trees start changing. That's what we're going to talk about today in our book. Our book is called Fall Leaves Fall. That's the title. Now, let's look at the front cover. Look at the illustration. Do you see that little boy and his dog? Oh, they look happy. Do you see all these leaves all around them? Let's see why these leaves are these colors. And let's learn more about the season of fall. Are you ready? We watch the leaves. In summer, the leaves are green. Now here in Texas, most of the leaves are still green, but in summer, they're really green. Look at the illustration. Do you see the nice green grass? Nice green leaves. Oh, there's a little birdie. And I see some children playing outside in the grass. Summer is so hot, but it's a good season to play outside. When the leaves change color, we know fall is here. I see yellow leaves. I see green leaves. I see brown leaves. I wonder why the leaves change color. There's a reason for that, and we're going to learn that in a minute. Look at all the fall colors. Leaves turn red, orange, yellow, and brown. Now this illustration is so good because I can see all the colors of fall leaves. I see brown leaves. I see yellow or gold leaves, orange, red, all different kinds of leaves. And look, there's that little boy. He's still playing outside. Fall is a nice time to go outside. When the wind blows, the leaves start to fall from the tree. Do you see the leaves falling down? Now, the season of fall has another name too. It's called autumn. Can you say that word? Autumn. We like to stomp on the leaves. Crunch, crunch, crunch. We like to kick the leaves too. And the fall colors fly back up into the air. Do you see the little boy stepping and crunching into that big pile of fall leaves? It is fun to play in the leaves. We like to collect leaves. Some leaves are very small and some leaves are very big. Look, here's his hands. He's holding up a small leaf, and over here, he's holding up a big leaf. Do you remember the story we read yesterday about the 3 billy goats gruff? There was a small billy goat, and then there was a big billy goat. Leaves come in different sizes too, and different shapes. Some leaves have pointy shapes. Some leaves have smooth edges. Do you see the roundedness of that leaf? When the leaves cover the ground, it's time to rake them up. Do you see the little boys? They're helping their parents. They're using rakes and they're scooping up all of the leaves. And I'm using my eagle eye. I see a squirrel. Do you see the squirrel watching the boys? What's that in his hand, everybody? Is that an acorn? It is. In fall, you see squirrels a lot collecting acorns. At last, we have made a huge pile. Oh, that word, huge. Do you know what that means? There's the huge file. It means big, very, very big. And then they jump in. Look at that illustration, friends. There's one friend's feet, and there's one friend jumping into the crunchy yellow, brown, red, and orange fall leaves. Inside, we drink mugs of warm cider and eat lots of cookies. That's when it gets really colder later in fall. But look, even their cookies are shaped like leaves. Do you see that? Wow. Did you know that there are very, very special leaves at your school? Behind Genoa Elementary, there are a couple of gigantic oak trees. They've been there hundreds and hundreds of years, my friends. They have a very special kind of leaf. On this page, the illustrator made all different kinds of leaves, different colors, different sizes, and different shapes. I see an oak leaf tree. Do you see this leaf right here? We see a lot of those leaves here at Genoa. Do you know what's fun to do with fall leaves? It's fun to collect them, and you can make pictures out of them. Look at this. The little boy glued the leaves down onto paper, and then he used crayons to turn them into different things. What's this right here? Is that a fish? It is. You can do so many things with leaves. Look at that one. He made a person out of fall leaves. Before long, the leaves turn brown and the branches are bare. This means bare means nothing there. And when you see a tree like this and all of its leaves have fallen off, the season is getting ready to change again. I'm going to teach you a song about seasons. Are you ready? Put your finger up. There's that famous finger. It's our counting finger, our reading finger. It does so many things. Now it's going to help us with this song. Ready? Here we go. We're not in the season of winter. We're not in the season of spring. That's when plants and flowers grow up. We're not in the season of summer. That's when it's super hot, even though it still feels super hot, right? We're in the season of fall. Go like this, like little fall leaves falling down. And the other word for fall, autumn. Happy autumn, everybody.